This is a 2007 Lifan City X 125cc motorbike, also known as an LF125J. Lifan or Lifan are a Chinese company that manufacture motorbikes and mopeds and usually copy other bikes. At one point their name was Honda. Yeah, Honda with a G. Before they made bikes, they made wine and shoes. I acquired this one from a bloke nearby who just wanted his shed space back. It's been rear-ended before he purchased it, but it has a new to the bike, rear wheel, and needs some love and care as well as putting back together again, and it should hopefully run fine. It's done just 2,000 miles and has one of those turny counter things for the trip meter. With dual horns and a 5-speed gearbox, what's not to love about this quirky bike? It comes with a few dents and dings here and there, as you would expect from a bike that's had a little smash at the back, but nothing too crazy at first glance. It also features a kickstart as well as an electric button start. The back brake works just fine, but the front brake does absolutely nothing, so I'll need to check that at some point. The battery is dead as can be, having been sat in a shed for about 15 or so years gathering dust. Replacing the battery yielded a nice headlight and a bike that sounds like she wants to start. I checked for signs of oil, which I'll change anyway, and then thought about fuel. Note how the sticker says about not riding after drinking wine. It's either a bad Chinese to English translation, a joke about the company's past in winemaking, or an incredibly fitting coincidence. Taking a look inside the fuel tank, it was pleasant to see that there was no rust. I chucked some fuel in, half in the tank and half on the floor. For some reason my jerry can was very leaky and the nozzle jiggled about a bit, so after cleaning it up and fixing it, I put the rest of the fuel in. Turning the key, we get a lovely glow from the dials and the headlight. I attempt to start the bike. Join me next time and don't forget to subscribe to see how the project comes along. Thanks for watching and don't forget to turn your indicator off.